I want a light. One. I put my breakfast down. Can they do it? I can wait. Can I not? A passenger's action completely made the originally calm guy explode. Where's the money? Are you sure you can't sing? Come see you twice now. You're a horseshoe? There's no fourth floor. Did you just take it after the fight? Let me tell you. Your boss fired your brother. Tell you what to go fight for. Oh my God. I want... Agreed. Watch the motorcycle jump. Fuck. What are you doing? Let go of me. Where are you from? I'm from the heavens. You stole someone's bike. I picked it up. The cameras recorded everything. So what if it was recorded? I'm just that awesome. Hee. Let's see what you can do to me in your hometown. Now, a transformation for the past. You go. Says where you didn't do well. I'll say one thing first. Haha, I'm not in pain. Give me, you should have waited until 2. Yeah. They said it was a customer test drive. Then I called the police to report it. Then the police talked about all sorts of road surveillance. The footage showed the person in charge driving the car. Someone from their shop was driving it. I also told him when I was driving. There's a violation. Also told him. I agreed. Then we have to protect our own rights and interests. It's not that I want to deny this matter now. This person is still standing by the car. Really? There shouldn't be anyone inside, right? Someone's on fire. Send all the videos to me. Fucking awesome. For the first time, I just slowly steered the car. What kind of car can see this? you're doing is right? I was wrong. Your body isn't in good shape, is it? It's wrong, nothing much. Your attitude is not wrong. Do you have a basic moral bottom line? I'm asking you, what would Liu Bei say? No, I guarantee it won't happen again. You don't need to go back. No, I'm not from that neighborhood. Don't even think about it. Let me tell you, you're in young people's moral bottom line. At least have a bottom line, right? Your brain is malfunctioning. Regarding your record, you take out 15. Do you dare to go to the police station? Damn. I'm warning you. If only I'd have one with a mahjong tile. I can come to work every week. You hit me? If nothing else, there are a lot of people, yeah. Why do you want to take shortcuts at such a young age? Want to marry a rich woman? Dad's wife? Is he in the 911? Is the 911 just a little brother? I haven't even seen those young people who are blacklisted. Are they from the aughts generation? 1.8 meters and still saying I have nothing? I was wrong. I know what I did. You know what you did. Anyway, I'll emphasize it again. Don't let it happen again. Although you don't know I live there, but I hope you stay away. Don't do those things in this community. I won't be living here long, but I also think we need to keep the community clean. Don't be like this every day. You feel like a duck, your mother's a duck. Hey, no, isn't it? Isn't it? The photos you took, you caught me off guard, regardless of your age. You're young. Shouldn't you be on the right track? You don't know I'm a married woman? Do you know you still don't? If not earlier, if not for quick money, it's not a good streamer. You rascal. Sorry.